I'm going to share with you a jaw massage practice to release pain that is also going to benefit any pelvic pain or tension going on as well, because there is a large correlation between jaw and pelvic tension. This tension can cause things like TMJ disorder, teeth grinding, neck pain, frequent headaches, and things like hip and pelvic pain, pain during sex, and painful menstruation. Now, your jaw and pelvis are connected through a long line of fascia that runs up and down your entire body. So any tension along this line, like in your jaw, can affect other areas within it, like your pelvis, and vice versa. Your jaw and your pelvis are also connected through your vagus nerve, which starts at your brain and it travels down through your jaw, through areas in your abdomen, and then ends at your cervix, right in your pelvis. And this is one of your most important nerves for your nervous system function because it impacts your direct ability to feel safe and relaxed, so not stressed and tense. So your jaw and your pelvis, they communicate on a deep level through your nervous system, through your emotions as well. Just think about it. Your ability to feel safe, to open yourself up and use your voice and express yourself in your jaw is correlated with how safe you feel to open your pelvis and your sexual center as well. Us women that have been violated, abused, or have felt suppression from just the intense world we live in, that suppression often shows up as tension and guarding in the jaw and the pelvic areas. And it's because we're trying to protect ourselves, we're trying to stay safe, it makes sense. But one beautiful way to begin unwinding this tension pattern and to heal energetically to feel safe is through this hands-on jaw massage practice. So do it with me here right now. So step 1 is to massage your masseter muscle. This is the area right here on the outside of your cheek. It starts right below your cheekbone and travels down to attach right around the angle of your jaw. So you can massage this entire area here with tiny circles and really take your time massaging in this area and holding any areas that feel especially tight. And while you're massaging, make sure you're breathing deeply through your nose, and you can exhale an audible sigh out your mouth and let yourself lean back and relax, unclench your toes, relax your pelvic floor, and breathe. Let yourself let go. You can stay here as long as you need. Really take your time here, relaxing. You can pause the video if you need more time, but when you're ready, we can move on to step 2, which is to massage your temporalis muscle, which is right here on the side of your head. It's a large muscle here that starts above your cheekbone and goes behind your eye and up the side of your skull. This muscle is for chewing. You can even place your hands here and just clench your teeth a little bit and feel that muscle activate underneath your hands. So go ahead and start massaging this entire area. There's no way you can get it wrong. And again, breathing, exhale, sighing out. Just going all around this area here. There's no way you can get it wrong. Again, stopping at areas that maybe feel more sensitive. And really breathing, allowing the flow of oxygen to happen. This helps bring nourishment to these tissues. It helps send signals to your vagus nerve and your entire body that you're relaxed and you can release this tension. And third, we're going to work the entire fascia line up the side of your face. So you can place your fingers right above your jawline here, and you're going to apply a bit of pressure moving upwards, not in. And so going very, very slowly. You're just waiting for the fascia and the muscles beneath your fingers to release, and that's what's going to help guide your fingers upward. So the idea here is to not actively push up, but instead just be with this tissue, to breathe, and let your fingers naturally slide upwards. When you reach your cheekbones, you can just slide right past them, continuing to relax your jaw. Taking all the time you need to slowly let this fascia on the side of your face here release. And once you get to the top of your hairline, you can relax and let go. And then just pause, take a moment to feel. How does it feel in your jaw? There should be more relaxation, opening, freedom in this area. I know I feel it myself. The last technique you're going to do is to take your hands and you're going to rest one on your upper abdomen and the other one on the side of your rib cage, and get yourself in a nice, comfortable seated position where you're going to be able to breathe easily, because I'm going to guide you through a practice of doing diaphragmatic breathing. This is super important in releasing jaw and pelvic tension, because when you aren't breathing from your diaphragm and instead you're breathing from your chest, it's going to make all of these accessory breathing muscles around your neck work extra and go overtime, which is going to tense up this area around your jaw and neck faster and create more jaw tension. Similarly, when you don't breathe diaphragmatically, your pelvic diaphragm, which is a real thing, it's your pelvic floor muscles, aren't moving as well, and they should be with each breath you take. And so if they aren't moving, that's going to in turn cause tension in your pelvic floor, because your breath isn't creating the movement that's needed to keep vital functions alive, like blood flow and lymph flow and nerve flow. So you're going to breathe in fully, come back with your hands on your body, breathe in fully, really let your belly puff out. Ideally, your ribs are also going to move out to the side, and when you reach the top of your breath, exhale, sigh it out, and exhale all the air out until there's nothing left, and almost until you feel a gentle contraction in your upper abs here. And then start again, breathing in. Exhale fully until there's no air left, a gentle contraction. This is going to help you to get a good inhale on your next breath. So you can go ahead and do this 10 times. Nice deep breathing. You can also change your hand position halfway through if you want, and just rest your hands on your collarbone to make sure you're not chest breathing. If you're chest breathing, it's going to look more like this. You see that rise in the collarbone? Versus if I'm breathing from my diaphragm. See that difference? There's a little movement here that's natural, but you don't want this extra tension created. Another way to practice diaphragmatic breathing is to lay down and put a bag of rice or a yoga block or something lightweight on your belly, and practice breathing so that as you breathe, the prop rises and falls. This is a nice relaxing way to practice doing diaphragmatic breathing. Doing this simple jaw massage practice to release pain and emotional tension and this breath work has the power to dramatically shift how you feel in your pelvis. These practices are simple yet powerful, and you can feel it. Take the time to notice the effects that you can actually feel. So if you benefited from this and you want more, then go ahead and download my free Pussy Love Liberation practice below that guides you through a powerful practice to create more safety and liberation in your pussy, your body, and your life. And please like and subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram so you can keep receiving all of my body and pelvic thriving tips.